Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to upload a Google Drive PDF to ChatGPT and then use that PDF document to ask questions about the content of that document or summarize the PDF document and more. So there are multiple PDF ChatGPT plugins on the ChatGPT plugin store, but one of the best that works for Google Drive PDF links is the Access PDF and Docs ChatGPT plugin. If you are not familiar with this Access PDF and Docs ChatGPT plugin, I have a full tutorial on this on my website where you can learn more about some of the use cases and some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with. So if you're interested in more details, make sure to check out the article linked in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see how you can use the Access PDF and Docs ChatGPT plugin to upload PDF files to ChatGPT from Google Drive folders. So before you would be able to use the plugin, of course, you have to enable the plugins feature in your account. And to be able to do that, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Then you have to click on New Chat and make sure that GPT-4 is selected from the model selector and select plugins here and click on the down arrow here and install the Access PDF and Docs plugin. If it's not installed for you, you have to scroll down, click on Plugin Store and search for the Access PDF and Docs and install it. Last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so let's see how we can upload a PDF file from a Google Drive folder. So all we have to do is open up a Google Drive folder, and as you can see, I have already uploaded a PDF document from my local computer. So this is a great way to also chat with PDF documents that are not publicly available, but you can upload them from your computer to Google Drive and you don't have to share the document publicly. All you have to do is click on share here and make sure that anyone with the link can access it. So by default it is restricted, but you have to change it to anyone with the link. So it's still gonna be private, but ChatGPT using this link is gonna be able to scrape the content of this PDF. So if we open this up, you can see that this is the Bitcoin white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto, which is about how Bitcoin and the blockchain works. So it's a technical paper, so it's a good idea to summarize it using ChatGPT. So all we have to do again is click on copy link here, and now we have the URL of this Google Drive PDF document. Then all we have to do is paste the URL of the Google Drive document or file and then add a really simple prompt, summarize this for me. So using this simple prompt, I can prove to you that I haven't added any context to this PDF document. ChatGPT will not know that this is the Bitcoin white paper unless it scrapes the full content of that PDF. So then click on send message here. And now, as you can see, the Access PDF and Docs plugin has been activated because ChatGPT is able to understand natural language, and if the plugin is enabled, it knows that it has to use the Access PDF and Docs ChatGPT plugin to be able to upload PDF documents from Google Drive to ChatGPT. And using that URL, it was able to scrape the complete PDF document. And based on that content, it was able to give us a summary of this PDF document about the Bitcoin white paper and how Bitcoin and the blockchain works, as you can clearly read here. So all in all, this is how to use the Access PDF and Docs ChatGPT plugin to upload PDF files from a Google Drive folder that is not publicly available. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that can be used for chatting with PDF documents or summarizing PDF documents, but I also have a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials that can be used for finance, cryptocurrency trading, scientific research, marketing, business, finance, career advice, and a lot more. I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.